Hello, this is with Bolock, and what I have today is 5 ABUS Titalium locks. So, these were sort of one of the better training locks that I trained or learned on for doing lockpicking. And, initially this took hours to get through, but over the past year or so, I've gotten a little bit quicker about picking these guys open. So what I'm going to do now is see how long it takes for me to pick open all 5 of my ABUS Titaliums. So I guess we'll just sort of dive right on in. I'm going to be using bottom of the keyway tensioner in there, and probably a mix of this Sparrow's, I believe it's called Medusa, and also this hook 4 from Peterson in 18 thousandths. Okay, let's give it a go. Reach into the back and try to reach in the front. A lot of times that front pin is something of a gatekeeper. It'll keep me from getting at other pins, so I have to come back and pick it really quite often. If something's maybe holding me up, I'll think to myself, aha, maybe it's that front pin again. I think this lock pin number 2. Let's see here, where can I find counter rotation? Pin 3. I think I dropped a few others, but let's try pin 4. And we got it open. Okay. That's the first one done. Second one. I'm trying to stay in camera here, in frame. So I'll give it my best shot. I'm gonna try to wiggle it to the back there. Pin 5. 4, 3 counter rotation, and we got it open. So some of the times I just have to wiggle it a little bit on my way from the front to the back, and that seems to have the effect of picking a few of the pins. And so then I actually just have to SPP a few of them, and then all is well. One of these locks is quite a bit harder than the rest, so it'll be interesting to see how long that one will take. So we'll wiggle it to the back. Go over set number 5. Maybe it's set now 3. 2 counter rotation, lost the false set. Back to the back, see if we can get it back up. There we go. Let's try number, I think that's 5. Let's try number 4. Oh, but set 3, counter rotation on 3. Got him set, but lost a little bit of the false set. Number 1. Might have him set back to the back. Oh, a lot of counter rotation on number 4. Got it open. That was not one of the harder ones. It's 3 down. Number 4. So far I'm using Sparrows, but on the difficult one, a lot of times I'll bust out the Peterson. Kind of wiggle it onto the back. Back 1. Nothing. 3. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 1. It's holding me up. Oh, little click. Back to the back. A little counter rotation on the pin 5, but not enough. 3, 2, and get that front pin again, back to the back. 4. And I think this is probably the difficult lock. So I'm going to give it a go with my 18 thousandths from Peterson. A lot of times that works a little bit better. Back pin. 4, them set. 3, 2, in there, back to the back. 4, hit 1 again, back to the back. Alright. Back 5, I think I got him set. Pick number 1 again. Okay. A little bit more of a false set now. Three, 2. I thought I might have had an open, but not quite. Like to pin, I think either 2 or 3. A lot of counter rotation. Pin 1, and we got him open. I think that was the more difficult one, obviously. That one takes quite a bit longer. Alright. And then the last lock. Give it a go again with bottom of the keyway. My sparrows. 3, 1, nothing, back to the back. A counter rotation on number 5, 4, 3, and we got it up. Okay, so I will look at my video and see just how long that took. And there we are, little collection there. We're runtime about 7 minutes, so about 6 minutes roughly to get that suite picked open. All right, thanks a lot.